This is essentially our resistance area now. This is essentially our support area. We haven't really tested support in the NDX. And if we start pushing up over resistance, like I said, we can talk about maybe it's a little bit lower than that. Well, it's almost a range as well, right? So you could call the resistance area a range from 7,200 to 7,300 here in the NDX, and we're kind of right in the smack dab in the middle of that range. We have the Dow, which is our true resistance point, is all-time highs. Our support point is down here on 23.5. We're about 25.5. We're about halfway between there as well. And the same thing on the Russell. We have our resistance up into here, about 1,600. We have a support down here around 1,450. We're right about in the middle of that at 1,525. And no indication of where we're going at this point, other than I do feel we should test support levels before we go higher. But that doesn't necessarily have to happen. So that's my thoughts on the market at this point.